Welcome back to my channel. In this particular video today, I'm going to be reviewing this platform known as Hifami. So this app you are seeing here is called Hifami. So if you have been earning and accumulate a lot of red packets for yourself, or you've been earning from this platform and you don't know if they are legit or just another fake app, then in this particular review video you are going to understand how this particular platform works, if they are fake or legit. Okay, so stay with me and watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any part. But before I continue, guys, if you are new to my channel, please kindly support me by subscribing to my channel and also like my video so that YouTube will recommend it to another individuals like you. Okay, so let's dive into the video. And again, I will be leaving my refer code in the comment section of this video, so you sign up using my refer code and get 150 naira for yourself, which you can withdraw immediately after successful sign up. Okay, so let's proceed. What is Hifami? It is a live streaming app and it is also a social gaming app where user can mine, play dice, join live voice chat room, complete daily tasks and check in daily, and also invite friends through your referral link and also earn rewards for yourself. So let me explain step by step on how you earn in this particular app. So after signing up and claim this 150 naira, then this is what you will do. The first thing is you click on withdrawal, because if you want to withdraw from this particular app, you cannot withdraw without doing your verification. So this is how you do your verification. In my next video, I'll be explaining to you guys how to withdraw. But let me show you how you verify your account first. Click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, then you click on withdraw 200 diamond, which is 150. You click on it, and as you can see, it will bring you here. Complete the final step of withdraw to ensure the safety of your assets. Please conduct three-person verification. So you will click on go to authentication. Okay, go to authentication. So when you click on it, they will redirect you to a place where you scan your face. Just put your face, that kind of thing. You don't need NIN to verify your account, just your face. So after verifying your account, then you can come back here. Okay, you come back. So this is how you earn from this particular app. These crops you are seeing here, whenever these crops grows, the next thing you do is to click on this hoe or this digger. When you click on it, you harvest it, and as you are harvesting it, you are earning red packet. Do you understand? So this one now, let me click on it to harvest the crops. Click on it. Just watch this video from beginning to end, because after watching this video, you are going to understand how this app works. So click on cancel. So, and again, as you can see, level up. Whenever it shows you level up, you click on it and you earn 30 naira. Okay, so let me click on level up. Are you seeing that I'm having 180 now? And level up again, click on it. Whenever it shows you level up, you click on it to level up, and whenever this crops grows, we are going to click on that hoe or digger to harvest the crops, and we are also earning red packet. So that is how to earn. And you can also earn by completing simple tasks and also play dice. This is Ludo. You can also play dice and also steal people red packet. So how do you steal people red packet? There must be your playmates. If they are your playmates, you can also earn from them. Whenever they are not active, you just come scroll and steal their red packet. Okay, but mind you, if you too are not active, they can also steal your red packet if you are not active. And if you are trying to steal someone's crops red packet, and the system is telling you cannot steal from this person, that means that that particular person purchased this called butler. This butler is just like security. This butler is harvesting crops for you and also claiming your red packet for you whenever you are not active. And when you are active, when you want to claim your red packet, the system will show you how many red packets and also how many crops this butler have harvested to you while you are not active. But if you don't purchase this butler, that means people will be stealing from you, you know, that is vice versa. So if you don't want to purchase any butler, you can just be active like every 30 minutes or 1 hour. You just log in, claim your rewards, and people cannot steal from you. So that is how it works. And how do you add playmates? You click on this place you are seeing recommended so that you can have playmates you can be stealing from. I made mistake. Click on recommend. Okay, when you click on recommend, you will see recommended playmates and you scroll and add all of them. And again, the system will give you free trial, something like 3 or 5 times. So you can only add like 3 people or 4 people in a day. If you want to add more, the system will tell you you cannot add, except if you want to buy coins in order to add playmates. So you don't need to spend anything. All you have to do is add like 4 or 5 people. Then tomorrow they are going to give you free trials again. You add like that. You have many playmates, and whenever they are not active, you can just come and steal their red packets. So that is how this place works. So let me show you how you will earn by completing simple tasks. So you click this place you are seeing receive 1 gold coin, hit the room boss 5 times. Just click on it. When you click on it, you will see daily, earn and family. Okay, so this one, the first one is top up once. It's not must you will top up. You can actually earn from this app without topping up and withdraw. Do you understand? Once you are completing your tasks and any every other thing, you can earn without topping up. So just leave that first one. Then this one is add one playmate. That is what I explained earlier. When you come back here, you scroll and click on recommend. I made mistake. Click on recommend. Oh my god. I'm so sorry for that. Click on recommend and add one playmate. Okay, so when you add one playmate, let's go back there. When you add one playmate, click on daily. I want to explain both daily, earn and family. So when you click on add playmate and come back here, it will be showing you to claim it because you just added one playmate. Okay, so this one is play Monopoly for 2 rounds. So how does it work? You come back here. Monopoly is for you to play dice. Okay, click on this arrow. So when you come back here, this dice, this ludo you are seeing here, and you can see it's showing 20/60. Before you play this dice and claim that rewards they are asking you to complete, you leave this dice to complete 60/60. There is a level that you reach, they will be telling you to claim to complete the task when it is 100/100, but as a new beginner it will be showing 20/60 or 30/60. You leave it, don't play the dice, just leave it. When it completes 60/60, then you click on this dice and play the dice finish. When you play it finish, it is going to load after 1 hour or 2 hours. You come back and play it again. Then when you come back here, remember it is 2 rounds, so you are going to do it 2 times. So leave it till 60/60 and play the first round. Then after 1 hour to 2 hours, it is going to complete 60/60 again. You come back and play it. Then when you come back to daily again and scroll to that particular task, you find out that it will be showing for you to claim completed. Okay, so this one is hit the room boss 5 times. Okay, when you come back here, this is room boss. When you click on this room, if I enter this room now, there will be noise because people will be there. So I just want to explain how it works. When you click on this room, you will see something like room boss by the right hand side. Inside that room you entered, you just click on it 5 times. You tap on it 5 times. Do you understand? So let's go back. When you tap on it 5 times and come back here, click on daily, click on daily. So when you come back here, you will see that it will show 5/5 and you will claim it. Then this one is 20 minutes in the room. While you are in the room, make sure you stay like 20 minutes so that when you come, you claim this hit the room boss 5 times and you also claim this 20 minutes in the room. Do you understand? So when you stay 20 minutes in the room, it will be counting, okay, and you claim it. Then this one is gift any give any gift to others. So you can send flowers to people. Like, let's go back. When you are playing these dice, I don't want to play these dice because once I tap on these dice, it will carry me inside that room, which I don't like. There will be like noisy people are there discussing, having fun. So when you click on this dice now, assuming it's 60/60 and you want to complete your first round, when you click on it, as you are playing that ludo, you will see sometimes flower will pop up, and when you click on that flower, they will provide for you all your playmates. Either they provide for you like 2 or 3 playmates, and the system will ask you to pick any person. So once you tap on any person profile, the flower will automatically send to that person and you complete the task. Do you understand? So let's go back. So after sending that flower, it will show 1/1 and you complete it. Then this one is receive 1 gold coin gift. This one is receive 1 gold coin gift. When people send you gift, you can also receive it. Or when you are playing that dice, you can also see when they will tell you to claim coins, that gold coins. You can also claim it. So that is this gold coin gift. You receive it and it will show 1/1 and you claim it. Then this one is invite one friend to withdraw money. When you invite one friend, okay, when you invite one or more friends sef, but now they are telling you to invite one friend to withdraw money. What does that mean? Is that when you invite person using your own refer link, okay, using your refer link, they are not going to credit you this 1/1, this point you are seeing here. It must be when that person withdraw, that is when it will now show 1/1 and you are going to claim it. But if that person just register and the person never withdraw, it will be showing 0/1. So just make sure the person withdraw and you are going to receive this coins here. Okay, so this one is steal your playmate crops once. So I've explained all this one. This one is harvest the farm 5 times. So I've completed this one. That means this place now, let's go back. This place you are seeing for you to harvest, when you click on it, so when you do it like 5 times, you complete that task. So remember to be clicking on level up. Okay, so let's go back. I think I've explained how daily works. So let me explain about earn. So this one that is send gift worth 100 coins. This one is when you are playing that dice, that flower that is popping up, when you are sending it to people, because when the flower pop up, the system will provide for you 2 or 3 person. You just pick any person and send the flower. So when you send it like 100 times, which you can complete in 5 days. So that is how you keep on completing those ones here. Just follow their instruction and you are going to get it and claim all. I don't want this video to be too long. So that is how to earn from Hifami. Okay, because it's not everybody that will explain everything in detail. Some people have been mining Hifami, playing dice, but they don't know how to like collect all these coins, like accumulate fast. So this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor, so earnings depends on you and your consistency. Okay, and you are always advised to do your own research before using any app. So guys, that is how to earn red packet, which you can withdraw. And again, you can also earn diamond and withdraw. Click on diamond here. You can earn this diamond when you are completing those tasks I just explained to you, and also when people gift you and when you gift yourself too. You can also be accumulating diamond, which you can withdraw when you have up to 2,000 diamond, which is 1,500. 10,000 diamond is 7,500 and above. You can also place withdrawal to your bank account when you accumulate enough here, and you can also withdraw from red packet. Okay. So in conclusion, after my own review while using this platform, Hifami have been confirmed legit and currently paying users who are able to meet up with their withdrawal requirements. And me personally, I've tested it and I've cashed out successful while using this app. So you can also try it out and know if it's worth your time. And again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also join our Telegram group. I will be leaving the link in the comment section of this video. And again, if you have any question, you can also drop it in the comment section of this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.